Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you're on Windows 11 and on Windows 10, something that happened this month is affecting some users. It's actually showing up in the feedback hub. People are complaining about some devices that stopped working. And these are people that are still using dial-up modems for internet access. And believe me, there are still quite a few people on dial-up, depending on where these people live, for the simple reason that broadband is not available everywhere. And so Microsoft did mention it, but people don't read the blog post and they just update and that's it. But when the latest update on Windows 11, that is the KB5074109 update happened. One of the things that happened is that a lot of old modems stopped working. Why? Because Microsoft removed old modem drivers. And the reason for that is simple. They contained a big vulnerability. And so Microsoft didn't want to take a chance of that security flaw. It actually is part of the 0 days exploited in the wild. So I even had a comment here about someone that where he goes on camping, and not camping, but in a shack in the woods where he is. He has a phone line, and it's the only way that he can actually access internet is dial-up, because there's no broadband there. And he says, what should I do? So Microsoft says what you could do is temporarily remove KB5074109, pause the updates, but you will need to update your modem. So you will need to get a brand new dial-up modem that does not use the legacy drivers. The only reason these drivers were in Windows still today, because they are old, was for compatibility issues. But now they are too dangerous to keep within Windows. So Microsoft removed them. So that's why the modem stopped working. So if you are one of the, not few, but it's hundreds of thousands of people that are in dial-up still. Even here in Canada, in the rural areas and faraway places, you still have some dial-up being the only way to access, your emails and stuff. So do update your hardware. Go and buy yourself a new modem to change the one that you have. Is the best thing to do. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.